London. Yippee-hooray. Don't mind my terrible hairdo. About to do my hairstylist. Check it.
Check it.
This is Lily. Say hi, Lily.
Hi.
You all
I'm
know
the
this
BFF.
one. We've arrived in London. It is 10:34 p.m. guys. Walking so fast. Going to our hostel called Generator London, and we hope we get there before midnight because that's when it closes. So, hello everyone. This is our lovely private hostel room.
You look so funny holding the tiny. You're literally going like this. The weather tomorrow. It's quite cold and it will rain at 2 p.m. because it's London. Tengo hambre. It means I'm so hungry. It's insane. Ew, my shoulders look so broad.
I hate my hair.
Aquí stop.
¿Listo? Oh, and you put directions. Poached egg and garlic Greek yogurt with parsley and red pepper flakes and Turkish bread.
Oh, it looks so good.
Mediterranean breakfast.
We're in London. I can't believe it.
Oh wow, look. A beautiful day in London. Oh no!
It's jumping. That was my exercise for the week. No tomorrow. No tomorrow. Find it kind of funny. I find it kind of sad. That's embarrassing because he saw you and he forgot the lyrics.
I know he did.
Look at the dog. Someone put a Burger King hat on the dog.
Oh. And it's showtime. We're going to Borough Market. We're wearing dresses because we're gonna have afternoon tea today.
Now these are biscuits, I believe, or crumpets. And then you put jam.
Going down to the train. She's struggling.
What we're gonna see is Dippy, the dinosaur. Today's his opening day. And we're also gonna see the Archaeopteryx, which is first solid evidence of birds being direct descendants from dinosaurs. I need a pick.
I'll do it, I'll do it.
Turn it long way.
Oh. And then it sits up here on the back.
Come walk with me.
Okay. Come on. Okay.
So here we are at the Cocoon. We're about to see the David Attenborough Studios. What this means is that we're gonna.
No,
I don't know.
keep
I
going,
don't
keep
know.
going.
Oh my gosh.
It was good, it was good.
Oh, but I didn't say to come walk with me in British accent.
Okay, do it again and then I'll just crop it.
No, you have to pan to
I'll
me.
edit it, I'll
You
edit
have
it.
to walk and then be like. Hello, come walk with me. So what we're gonna do today is go into the David Attenborough Studios. Now David Attenborough is nearly 100 years old, but he's very important for natural history. He's done a lot in the natural history community. Let's enter the lift, shall we? The world as we know it is in peril. It's just terrible. Global warming, methane gas.
Climate change. Climate.
But that was good. That was pretty
No,
long.
that was pretty good. That was pretty good.
Yeah. Now we're entering the Darwin Center. Charles Darwin is one of the most influential scientists, and he developed the idea of evolution. Let's go. Here we are with my partner in crime, Lily Reynolds. Hello. Now we're looking at the mammals, right, Lily? So what we can see through evolution, we see this as a sea creature. It is not a fish. It is a mammal.
People are gonna think you're a tour guide. They're gonna start listening.
And I'm right. You know what? I think I've been waiting for this day my whole life.
No,
No, sea creature.
How is your noodle?
So
How is your noodle?
Feel the beat of the tambourine, oh yeah. You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Oh, see that girl, watch that scene, singing the dancing queen.
Well, we brought our food
where are we gonna eat it though?
somewhere. All packed up to take the train to Edinburgh at King's Cross Station. And yeah, see you guys inside the train. checked in into our hotel room.
We're in Scotland, part of the UK.
Scotland.
It's spelled Edinburgh, but it's pronounced Edinburgh. But we say Edinburgh because that's kind of how we say it. No AC.
No AC.
Give witchcraft a try. Yeah, pass it on. Pass them on. So do the same as Lily there. In your head,
Stand the other way.
see it doing it. And it will work, I promise you. It will work.
A B-Rex burger.
My B-Rex. The smoky.
Hey, smoky, you know what it is.
And the Byron.
And the Byron. Byron, yeah. Cherry soda. Yeah,
Welcome to my crib.
What's up, man? What do you know about this? What do you know about this?
Chicago, a lot of Illinois folk in today. It's amazing. So here we go. Poor lady is about to. What crime has she committed? What would you suggest? What has she done horribly wrong that leads to be killed here today?
Stole.
Stole something. That's enough for me. She's a thief. You'll be a bit of a boo and a hiss. When the drums roll, after the drums roll, we need one of these good ladies to come by and kick the bucket on her behalf, which will allow pushing games on. Nice, that's excellent. And finally, Holtz, give it a good kick.
It's her dream.
Oh, and oh, I hate doing this. Now, as she hangs in there for a long time, it goes from long to awkward. Eventually, people just decide, let's go get a drink somewhere. Yay! And they leave her hanging behind until she's dead. After half an hour, they decide at that point to come back to see how the body's coming along. This is disgusting. Anyway, poor woman is still here and alive. Does anyone feel sorry for her at this point?
Yeah.
Anyone? Well, at least a few do. There were children present. The kids would come by and grab her by the legs and swing upon her body. It sounds disgusting.